Okay, so we're all ready to go. Our chocolate is beautifully tempered, and we did take a sample earlier and we know that it's good to go. Again, making sure our bowl is nice and dry, keeping that water away. So we've got our mold, and today we are going to fill some beautiful chocolate frogs. How good are chocolate frogs? Everybody loves a chocolate frog. So got our ladle and just going to spoon that in. Make sure all the cavities are nice and full. Just like that. There we go. Make sure all the cavities are filled, nice and full. And then we're going to move on into, we need to give that a good bit of a shake. So what that's doing is it's getting all the air bubbles out, and we're flattening the chocolate out, making sure the cavity and the little intricacies of the mold all get filled up. A nice shake. Just do one more, get some chocolate there. So in this time, like, your chocolate could even start to go a little bit thicker because we've tempered our chocolate properly, and you know, we're working away, but that's okay. We've got the bain-marie there in case we need to just warm it up slightly again, but that's not the case today. We can just keep working away. Again, shaking. So, nice and shaken there, good. Pop that on the grill. And then what I'm just going to do now, so they're all nice and flat, all in the cavities, chocolate's in. We're now going to go to the fridge. Most people's fridges are around 5 degrees, which is just perfect. Alright guys, just went into the fridge and checked on our frogs, and we're not quite there yet, but I just thought I'd show you this one as an indication of where we're at and how you can tell when it's ready. So we've got some chocolate that is still stuck to the molds there, but then that clearer bit there, that's where it's released. So it hasn't fully released, we're almost there, another 5 to 7 minutes, but this is just to show you the difference between unreleased out of the molds and released. So the shiny bit that's released, and that solid bit there is still connected. So we're just going to pop them back for 5 minutes, and they should be really nice. Our frogs are ready now, straight out of the fridge, and ready to be tapped out. This is exciting now. So let's have a look here. Whoa, beautiful. Look how shiny they are. Look at that. And that just shows that we've done a great job in tempering our chocolate. So nice and shiny, no grayness, no bubbles. We've done a great job. Now, this is very important. We're going to check the snappiness. Look at that, beautiful snap. Let's check, and also at this point, I love to taste, of course. So, oh, how good. So, our chocolate has probably more of a nutty note to it. That's all part of our contouring process. So, it is has also some vanilla in there, which is quite common with our chocolate. Now, I want you guys at home to comment and let us know what you're doing at home, if you're having any problems, or if you need any tips, let us know, make some comments, and I'd love for you guys to show us what, if you can make some frogs or make up something at home that you think yourself you can do, give it a go. Hey, you know what? I'm just going to have a little bit more chocolate because it's so good. Oh. Oh. Hey, I'm Dom from Belgian Delights. Salut, tot de volgende keer. Dag!